Hey guys, welcome to Blissfully Yum with me, Shrikala. Today we are going to get really indulgent. I am going to show you my recipe for a fudgy chocolate brownie. Once in a while, when I am craving for something sweet and indulging, I prefer a hot fudgy brownie with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Trust me, this recipe is very addictive and you won't stop at just one. Let's go through the ingredients first. You will need 200 grams of bittersweet chocolate chips, 142 grams of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 200 grams fine sugar, 85 grams all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee or 1 teaspoon of instant espresso powder mixed with 2 tablespoons of warm water, half tablespoon of vanilla extract, quarter teaspoon of salt and 2 medium range eggs. Let's get baking. For the brownie, I have greased an 8 by 8 inch square baking tray and lined it with baking paper. I have again greased the baking paper as this recipe tends to be really sticky. I like to keep an overhang to easily take the brownie out of the tray. Over a pot of simmering water, set a heat-proof bowl and place the butter and chocolate in it. Stir the mixture with a spatula as it gradually melts. Keep the flame on low. Make sure that you have barely simmering water in the pot and the water does not touch the bowl. Once the mixture has melted, take it off the heat and wipe out the excess condensation as it tends to seize the chocolate. Set it aside. In another bowl, place a sieve and sift the flour, cocoa powder and salt. We do not want any lumps of cocoa powder in our batter. Now, to the completely cooled down butter and chocolate mixture, add the sugar. Adding sugar first cools down this mixture as any heat can scramble the eggs we add in later. Now add in the eggs one by one, whisking all the time. Add the vanilla extract and the coffee. The coffee is optional here, but if you are a true chocolate lover like me, add it to enhance the flavor of the chocolate. Give a good stir. Now add in the dry ingredients to the wet in 2 batches. Mix it well with a spatula. A chocolate brownie can go 3 ways: cakey, fudgy or chewy. For all, the ingredients remain almost the same, but the quantities vary. I believe a good chocolate brownie must be fudgy and chewy. If it's cakey, it's not a brownie, it's a chocolate cake. Feel free to add nuts, chocolate chips if you prefer at this point. Now, pour the batter into the prepared tray and even out the top. Bake this brownie in a preheated oven at 175 degrees centigrade for 40 to 45 minutes. Once ready, a toothpick inserted will come out with a little wet crumbs on it. Don't worry, this happens because of the fudginess. I baked mine for 45 minutes and it has a nice crackly finish on top. Take the brownie out of the tray and once it has completely cooled down, cut into 9 equal squares or as you prefer. Now, a tip here. To get clean cuts, dip the sharp knife in hot water and wipe out the excess before every cut. I was too lazy to do that. So after a sticky knife and messy fingers, here it is, my fudgy chocolate brownie. Dust it with some icing sugar or grab that vanilla ice cream from your freezer and serve it right away. I hope you give this one a try and do tell me how it was. If you like my recipes, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, eat yummy, stay happy.